Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the rear brake pads on Audi A6 C6 4F. This car has electric parking brakes, so we need to open the brake calipers with the scan tool. The procedure is similar for other Audis with electric parking brake. This is the brake caliper and this is the electric parking brake that we need to open in order to replace the brake pads. So first we're going to get a scan tool, turn the ignition on and go and open the brake calipers. On my scan tool I'm going to go into special functions and we'll go then into brake pad change. When you're replacing the brake pads and trying to open the electric parking brake, make sure that the car battery is over 12 volts, otherwise it might not work. We go into parking brake and afterwards we go into open the rear brake calipers. Once the scan tool starts opening the brake calipers, you hear noise from the parking brake motor opening the caliper. Now that the brake calipers have been opened, I'm going to turn the ignition off and turn out the scan tool. And now I'll start replacing the brake pads. There's two bolts holding the brake caliper that I need to remove. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the bolts are removed, I'm going to remove the brake caliper. Before I replace the brake pads, first I'm going to press the brake piston, the brake cylinder in. I'm using a pneumatic compression brake caliper compression tool. You can use it, you can do it with a normal compression tool. On these rear brake calipers, you don't need to turn the brake piston in order to for it to go in. You just need to push it in. And now the brake cylinder is in. I can remove the brake caliper compression tool and start replacing the brake pads. I'm going to take out the sliders to see what their condition is. I'm going to put on a little bit of grease on them. It's a special grease for brake calipers. You don't just put any grease. It needs to be high temperature grease. Now that everything is replaced, I'm going to put on the brake caliper and tighten the bolts. Now that everything is installed in the reverse order, I'm going to turn the ignition on and close the brake calipers with the scan tool. I'm going to press close brake calipers, which is on the right, and then you hear again the brake caliper motor working. Scan tool has closed the brake calipers, so now we're gonna go into the car and see if the parking brake light flashes. If the light flashes, then we need to turn the parking brake on and off, and it will stop flashing. And now we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.